Okay guys, here we are. There's the wood pile I've collected so far from tearing this place down. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish tearing this down and then I can start building my log cabin. Well, as you can see, I've done quite a bit. Just trying to get all this taken care of. And then back here is where my log cabin's gonna be. Those 3 stakes there coming across and going back that way. That's about where my cabin's gonna be. So yeah, like I say, I just gotta tear the rest of this shit down. Get rid of a bunch of widow makers. And then we'll go from there. But so yeah, gonna get back to work. Gotta clean up all the rest of this dead tree. I've got most of it gone. Right there. But yeah, so next step is to try to finish this job. And it's pretty hard. I'm tearing everything down by hand, and I'm all by myself. So far it's taken me, see, 3 days I was clean, so 5 days so far. So we'll see how long it takes. Bye.